how to change font size in Rednote app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can change your font size in Rednote application. So if you're also wondering how you can do that, these are the process you may follow and you should be able to change your font size in Rednote application. So go ahead and launch your Rednote app. After that, after you're logged in, you can go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. So when you reach over here, you will be taken to this profile page. And in order to change the font size of your profile, you can go ahead and tap on this gear icon right beside your profile and you will be taken to the section. So in order to change the font size, you can go ahead and tap on the general settings, which is under account security. Just go ahead and tap on it. And here under languages, you will be finding font size. So you can go ahead and tap on font size, and in order to change your font, you can find this normal, large, and larger section. So if you want to make it large, you can go ahead and make this, slide it to the large. And if you want to make it larger, you can slide it to the large again. And after the changes it made, you can go ahead and save the changes, and the changes will be applied in your app. So therefore, you can see the font size has been changed. So you can also follow the same process in order to change your font size in Rednote application as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.